Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video I will talk about $25 no deposit bonus, and this bonus is about Axiom trade, and also there will be some important information I will discuss. So I recommend you please don't miss the information, because if you did not listen to all information then you might miss some of the important information. So please watch the complete video for better understanding. Firstly, I would like to start from terms and conditions. Then after that we will go further for the claiming process, withdrawal proof and customer support chats. So if we talk about the lot requirement, there will be 3 standard lots will be required, and you can read this point. Account has made a profit of 41 USD, which is indicated the profit section. Equity will indicate bonus and current profit, which is 25 plus 41 USD equal to $66. That means you will get the initial $25 of no deposit bonus. In that account you have to make minimum $41. After that your account balance will be reflect as $66. In the $66, 25 will be your balance and 41 will be your profit. So from 66, your 41 will be withdrawable. That is the minimum amount of withdrawal. And if we talk about the time validity, so you have 14 days of time limit. So you have to complete this amount of standard lot within 14 days. And if we talk about the withdrawal proof, yes, it do provides withdrawal. So recently, some months back, they have the update about the bonus. So some of the people have got their withdrawal. So you can see the withdrawal amount is in euro. And one important thing you can see here, I have given one more update. Axiom trade withdrawal rejected due to IP violation. So they have very strict IP violation. Even if you are using your mobile connectivity and you connected your Wi-Fi, so they will consider this as IP violation, because in recent update some of the people has tried that thing. They were trading with Wi-Fi and then they connect the mobile connectivity. After you change your connectivity, your IP address gets changed, and company also gets the reason to reject your withdrawal. So it would be better to use only and only single connectivity. If you are using mobile connectivity, then don't use Wi-Fi, and if you are using Wi-Fi, then do not connect mobile connectivity. And now let's get forward to the claiming details. First of all, you only can claim the bonus by the special link, and the special link is added in the description. And to be honest, this is not my special link. One of our Telegram member has provided me that information and the link. So I have added the link for all of you. You can follow up that link and you can come to this page, because if you don't follow the link, you will not get the bonus. This bonus is only claimable by the link. So after you come to this page, you have to write your email, phone number, password, captcha and click on continue. After that, you will automatically get a call for the verification OTP. So you have to receive the call and you will get the OTP. Then after that you have to put the OTP and click on confirm OTP. After that you will see these details, and here you have to write all your personal information, and after that click on verify profile. And when you click on verify profile, you will see this page. Here you have to fill your profile information like your national documents. So in the document you have to upload your front and the back side of your ID card, and after that click on submit. And after you submit, you will see document uploaded successfully. And now you have to click on this message box. After that this page will open. Here you have to write your name and the email that you have registered, and then in the question write anything and then click on start the chat. After that you have to provide this message to support. My document verification is pending, please approve. So you have to generally talk with them and tell them that please approve my documents. So this is all you need to do. And in my documents it took around 15 to 20 minutes to be approved. But maybe some of the members watching it after 2 days, after 3 days, after 10 days, after 20 days this video, there might be a chance this bonus will be stopped, or there might be a chance your document will take more longer. So this will be really normal thing if it happens with you, like your document taking longer time. But the general time which I was experienced, it was around 15 minutes only. And after that you will see your document has been successfully verified. And after that you have to come to the main page again. You have to click on 3 lines here, and after that you will see these options. And now you have to click on my promo. After you click on my promo, here you have to put the promo code. For putting the promo code, I will provide the promo code in the Telegram, and the Telegram link is added in the description. When you click on the Telegram link, you will redirect it to promo code, and after you put the code, you will see congratulations, you have unlocked non-deposit bonus program, and this is my account details, and you can see bonus duration is 14 days. After you get the congratulations message, you should check your email. In the email you will be able to see your ID and password, and you can see I have also confirmed with customer support if this bonus has 14 days of validity. This account will be available for 14 days. And I also talk about, so there is no limit on profit withdrawal. They said yes sir, we don't have maximum withdrawal amount for no deposit bonus, so you can withdraw whatever amount of profit you will make. And you can see the last question I have asked, is there any deposit required on $25 promotion while withdrawal? And they said it's not required to deposit the fund, right? So you do not have to make a deposit, you just simply have to complete the conditions. And if you want to withdraw minimum amount, then you should make $41 and complete 3 lots of turnover. And if you ask me how many countries are eligible, I literally don't have any idea about that, how many countries are eligible, but some of our Telegram members do provide these helps, provide the information. I really appreciate all the members. So you have to check from the link. If you are able to claim that, then it will be great. But if not, then you should wait for the next update.